So you had COVID-19, recovered, and now feel great. In fact, the immune system did such a great job protecting you that symptoms were only mild or non-existent. And you think you should not worry about the coronavirus or getting vaccinated anymore because you should have acquired lasting immunity against the virus, right? Yeah, I have bad news and then some good news. Scientists following healthcare workers that were previously infected found that not everyone develops lasting immunity against COVID-19. 9 out of 10 asymptomatic patients and 1 out of 4 symptomatic patients did not show lasting immunity about half a year after recovering from COVID-19. So unless you're really sure you're the 1 out of 10 people that gained a robust lasting immunity, it seems like quite a gamble not getting vaccinated. And this has not only been discovered in the lab, but a new report from the CDC concluded that unvaccinated people have more than 2 times the chance of getting reinfected when compared with vaccinated people. The good news is that for people previously infected and that then took a vaccine shot, the immune system will get a good boost, increasing the amount and breadth of antibodies. This means we have more and different types of antibodies circulating in our blood. So why is it that the vaccine-acquired immunity seems to be more reliable than the immunity acquired from a natural infection? You see, for COVID, most of the vaccines currently in use contain genetic material with the code to produce the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2, which is the part of the virus that allows it to anchor and enter the cells. And our cells have specialized machinery to read this code and produce the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. After producing the spike protein, our immune system will then recognize the spike protein as a foreign invader and start producing antibodies that will specifically attach to this part of the virus. Many of the antibodies generated will be very effective at inhibiting the virus. Some of these antibodies will even directly attach to the spike protein's receptor binding domain, blocking its ability to bind to the ACE2 receptors found in the cell walls and entering the cells. If instead our immune system has to mount an immune response against the whole virus, then it cannot focus only on producing antibodies against the spike protein, but will produce antibodies attaching to many different regions of the virus. Some antibodies may attach to regions that will inhibit the virus from entering the cells, while others will not. Dealing with the whole virus makes our naturally acquired immune response more unpredictable on whether it will create antibodies that will bind to the key proteins. And that's exactly what a team at the Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center found. The immune response elicited by the vaccine generated more types of antibodies against the receptor binding domain when compared to the response from the natural infection of the virus SARS-CoV-2. There is another explanation related to the different conformations or shapes the spike protein produced from the vaccine will have, but that's a very cool story that goes beyond COVID-19 and probably deserves its own video sometime in the future. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.